Weave, 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 weave. Shank him. Shank him. No way. Stupid. We're skipping the tutorial, by the way. Alright, my character is created. We get the same character?
Oh my god.
Did we make the same exact character? Whoa. Reaper Bond? What'd that mean? How does this game work?
I don't know. I need to turn my sensitivity out. Ow. Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, relax. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I made it.
Hola, niño.
I couldn't see. I couldn't see. I couldn't see. You know what? You're probably winning because I got this bright ass suit on. That's what it is. What the fuck?
Oh.
Damn. I fucking put you down like a dog, boy. That actually kind of scared the fuck out of me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we got a Glock. I got a fucking,
Yo, bitch ass at, bro.
I got a fucking Glock.
Where your ass at, bro?
Ah! My gun! Dude, the game audio is still so loud in my fucking ear, bro. Ah! Ah! Oh my god!
Oh shit!
Ah! 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 Fuck, I had a pistol, man. It's okay, I have ideas. I have plans, brother. Plans that you can't even fathom. Come down to the water. Come down to the water. Bitch! Bitch! Bitch!
Where the fuck did you get a crowbar?
Oh, I see you right there. I'm camping, by the way.
Oh,
No.
no.
I can dual wield? What?
Yeah, that's what I was doing last
This
game.
is game changing. Yeah, get
Oh.
fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked, bitch. Yeah, I didn't know I could dual wield. You're cooked now. Oop. Don't shoot at me. You could never hit me. Fuck you, man! I had a grenade.
Figuring the game out. Oh.
Yeah, get fucking deleted. It's about time I win something. Oh, this map's cool. What the fuck are you doing here? Nope.
Oh, nope.
I believe
Shit.
in you. Brother fucking killed himself. Don't touch me. I'm leaving.
Nope, I did it again.
Dude, what the fuck, man? I didn't get to play the map. Oh. Dude, I'm made for this, bro. I got a cowboy hat. Why does it shoot like that? What the fuck? Okay. Alright. Alright. So... Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude, I'm gonna... I'm gonna bust a nut, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck you hitting me? Whoa. Oh, I see you up there. I'm out of ammo. It's okay, though. This feels like Window Wars.
We used to do this shit on Black Ops 2 all the time on gun games.
Yep, yeah. Fuck me, man. I can't hit anything. It's fine. It's fine, though. It's fine. Okay, What the fuck?
Oh!
How did you even... This is
I had
fucking...
two revolvers, dude.
Whoa! I didn't know you were there.
Oh.
I did not know. I did not know you were there. Whoa, whoa! You're like...
Where the fuck is he?
You're like invisible, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? What What the fuck was that? What? I shot you in the face! I literally got the fucking... This game is stupid. This is perfect for a guy like me. This is perfect. It's terrible content, but this is perfect. I would never get scared. I would never be afraid. Creeping around.
Mr. Ren.
We're creeping. Oh! No. What? We killed each other.
Mr. Ren.
I know where you're at. Oh! Fuck me. Fuck is this thing? This thing is cool looking.
Oh my god.
Terrible fucking accuracy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where are you at? Are you up there on that...
Come up here, Mr. Ren.
Are you up there on that ledge?
Yeah, come up here. I have a little surprise for you.
No! Oh, and there he goes.
Oh, shit. I had a
Spawn.
giant-ass fucking mace.
I saw it, right? I saw it before I came up there. Holy
Oh my
fuck.
God. Oh,
What?
shit.
I lost all the... I missed every fucking shot. Did I just wall run?
Yeah.
You can
That's what I
fucking...
was trying to do on the one map, but I kept dying.
You can fucking do that? Dude, you know you can fucking wall run? Olympia! No, this is a carbine. I know not what I speak of. Holy fuck! Reload animation. I hear you going around, you stupid bitch. Fuck my balls, bro. I hear you wall running, you stupid fuck. Are you sliding?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
See?
Oh my god.
Mr. Ren, I see you. Oh, shit.
No, you don't, white boy. Oh!
Yes, I do.
Whoa! Fuck me. Fuck, fuck, fuck. What? Dude, I fucking hit you, you stupid bitch. Dude, what the fuck? You got like God mode on or something, that's what it is. Oh, and there I go.
Ooh, what is that? I want that.
Put it down. Bro, I shot you in the face! I shot you in the head! Uh-oh. Little does he know. There's a second story. See you putting mines down, you little fuck.
No, you don't.
I see you down there putting mines down, you little fuck.
Oh, shit.
You thought I didn't see you? No, what the fuck, man?
You love it. Oh, ow.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Fuck my fuck, dude. I hate this.
Oh, shit.
This man's got a whole fucking sword. Ooh, what is this? Cage fight. We're gonna actually fight each other?
Ow.
Come here. Come here, cracker. Ow! I wanna actually punch you, though.
Ow.
Fuck you. Ow, what the fuck?
Oh.
Oh! Dude, son of a bitch. Dude, we unlocked so many maps. Holy fuck.
I know.
That's
It
crazy.
is great.
Stop.
It's great. It's the greatest game.
It's the greatest.
The most fantastic.
This guy just
I love
got
it.
he just got a Snapchat. Talking to little boys.
Oh, no.
It's okay.
Here he comes.
I'm okay
He's
with
coming. He's coming.
it. Who is Noxy? This is not you. Kick. Cooter. Get in my fucking game, white boy. Let us stupid white boy.
Bye.
Let us stupid white boy. What the fuck? Cooter! That's bad,
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker. It's the
Oh.
corridor.
Oh my god,
I don't
can't.
like the corridor.
Oh, what is
What the
this?
fuck is this? Oh.
Oh, it's a
no.
it's a claymore. I blew myself up.
Oh.
Hold on. Oh. Oh my god. This is perfect.
Oh no. This
Where-
game. It's crazy. You get back here, you little bitch. Come here.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah,
I, in
oh, I
fact, was
picked
not
your
the
body
greatest.
up. I can pick your body up. That's crazy. I'm gonna do things to it.
Don't touch my body.
And now I sit in a corner like a real man.
Oh, that blade.
Abba, labba, labba, labba. Better. Fuck! This freaky ass shit. Don't touch me. There's a lot of claymores in here, huh? What the fuck was that? How'd you get a grenade launcher? Oh, you're a bitch. Brother.
Oh, Jimmy, come and get some. I want you to come touch me. Oh, shit. I don't like this. Where did you go?
Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, you're fucked, actually.
Peekaboo.
You are so fucked. Alright, don't fucking touch me.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch you if I want to touch you.
There's consent, Cooter.
Not in my world.
Okay. Okay, Eugene. That's it. I must eradicate you. Save all the small children.
You could try.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Where'd my gun at?
Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where is he?
Oh! Oh! I threw my gun.
Jesus Christ, Nelly, man.
Yeah. Your screen's too big, I'm assuming. So I gotta just run up on you. Alright. There's a bag on top of that thing. Get the bag! Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, you can lean! What the hell? I had a plan.
Your plan did not work.
This is gonna work though.
Ooh,
Watch
what is
this shit.
this?
I almost killed myself immediately. What the
Oh.
fuck was that noise?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh god!
Ah!
I killed myself! You should come over here for a minute. I just want to show you something. I just want to show you like two things. Come here. Come here real quick.
These two things wouldn't happen to be on the
Whoa!
ground. would they?
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh shit.
Where'd my gun go?
This is awkward.
Come here, boy. Why you run with your hands behind your back? Oh, thank you, Naruto.
Oh, this is awkward.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh.
Dude.
Goodbye, watch boy. Oh, no!
Oh, fuck.
Oh, we're gonna fight. It's gonna be awesome. Baseball bat time.
Oh.
Whoa, 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 hey. Hey, whoa, hey. 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 Parkour! Parkour!
Oh shit.
Come here, bitch! Come here! Come here! Oh, you got bonked! Are you trying to fucking run me into that, you stupid bitch? I'm fucking paying attention. Come here,
no.
bruh! Oh. Oh, you put one right there, too. That's kind of smart.
Ooh, this sacrificial knife. Come here.
What? The fuck you just get, man? You summon demons and shit, man?
Come here.
Don't fucking touch me.
Rawr. Rawr. Shit.
Damn it, I'm actually getting angry. Like, not actually angry, but like, kinda angry, though. Goodbye.
Oh no.
Beautiful. Oh, this is a big one. What's this little cracker boy think he doing? Uh-oh. Goodbye.
Dude, I was out of it, bro. I wasn't even close. Oh, hey.
Dragonfly Streets. Wait, where are you at? Don't fucking touch me.
Yo, what you doing on my block, cut? What you doing on my block, cut?
Get out of here, bitch. It's fine.
Ow.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, come in here. Go ahead. What the fuck? Oh
Hey.
my god, it's so loud! Oh my god! Oh, this man, oh, there's babies! Those are people.
They're not people now. They never
Oh,
were.
what the fuck is this?
What the fuck? Oh my god.
I hurt my kill myself. What is that? Oh my god! Dude, what the fuck are you doing over here? Yeah. Yeah. Damn, I can't get the fucking ladder. Whatever. Forget it. Come to me. Holy fuck! This thing fucking shoots, brother. Oh! Oh! They're like 30 up there. I just want to show you something. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, cracker boy? Where are you? Oh my god! Fuck! Son of a bitch! I think I shot one on accident. I see you. Oh my god! Sword fight, baby, sword fight.
Give 'em to me, give 'em to me.
Kill
give 'em
Bill,
to me,
kill
give 'em to
Bill,
me.
kill Bill. Come here, boy.
I want 'em.
Where are you? Wait, you got 2 swords? I only got 1 sword.
Where's your bitch ass at, bro?
I don't know. Kill Bill time. What the fuck? We can't find the balcony. Find me on the bridge. What are you doing up there? Where? Dude, I don't even get, like, you paid the devs of this game. That's what it is.
I did not, dude.
You
I
did,
did not.
bro. You did.
I did not do it. I never did. I never gave them money.
Beam load. What the fuck is this? Whoa.
I'm
Oh.
gonna beam you with my load, dude.
Dude, I'm about to fuck you. That's it. I'm just gonna fuck you. Oh, we're in the back rooms.
Oh no. Oh no.
What the fuck is it? Dude, no way.
Just tase yourself again.
Whoa, you got a gun! What the fuck? I'm out of bullets.
I'm not.
No way, dude. I got like some fucking big ass dreads.
Hey, don't worry about it, man.
I
Bombo clot.
don't even care about it. That's like, man. Bomba clot.
I just here for the vibes, man.
Hey man, man, fuck